Now I'm going to create my first secondary page, which I will entitle About, or About the Course, or About JRN 4440, something relative. I am looking for line 102, which includes the header. I'm going to simply click and delete the title. Remember, this is actually the index page that we're working on here. I'm deleting the title on line 102, and I'll include the heading or title for my About page. So you will determine what this page will be entitled. So I'll call this About JRN 4440. Again, you will have a different About. And then I'm going to also scroll up to line 5, I believe it is. Yes, line 5 of my code here. And I'm going to change the title to include the same text as the heading. And the heading is what I just typed on line 102, About JRN 4440. Okay, and then I'm going to scroll back down to my list. And what I'm doing here on line 105 will indicate the About. And I typed previously about.html, so I need to name or save this page as about.html. Now I can look here on my index.html and see the little asterisk. That means that changes have been made, but they are unsaved, which is okay for right now. I'm going to click on File, Save As. Not save, but save as. And I should title this one, the page, about.html, just as I did on line 105. If it's something else, the browser will not find it. And where it's being saved on my flash drive, I'll click OK, or save, excuse me. And then before we keep going, I'll look among my local files, and just for clarity, there's something called local files, and then there are remote files. Local files are the files that I'm currently working in my workstation or workspace. The remote files, or the remote location, is the internet. So that means that if you recall our putting process, we are actually, when we put, we're publishing to the web. So that means that we could work in the local files all day, but if we forget to put or publish, then those changes of what we've done in Dreamweaver will not be reflected on the internet. So that's something we always have to keep in mind. So here among the local files, I can see and I have found my about.html. Now, if for some reason your about.html did not show up, you want to try it again. Now, you have to perform the file save as, because if not, you'll replace the index, which is something that we do not want to do. Okay, we'll keep going.